All right, we're live. Christian's mother prepared lemonade. Every pitcher of lemonade can fill 5 glasses. If she was able to serve 30 glasses of lemonade in 2 hours, how many pitchers of lemonade did she prepare? What's important out of this? Hey, back up. Not everybody all at once. What's our important information here? 5. Okay. Why is 5 important? Yeah, it is a number. What about 5 glasses? What happens 5 glasses? Y'all said it was important. Kyrie. Glasses. Every picture. 5 glasses. Oh, I see glasses again. Somebody said 30 was important. Why is that important?
It is more glasses.
Yeah, 30 is more than 5.
Bigger than 5.
But 30 is the total.
The produce.
Now somebody said 2 is important.
No. That's
Let's see here. What would Isaiah say?
5.
We don't care about 2 hours. That's what's called filler words. It's called quiet. It's irrelevant. We don't need it. It's to see who's paying attention. They're not trying to trick you, they're trying to get you to pay attention. All right. So at the end of the day, what do we need to know? What's our objective? What are you being asked to do? Hayden?
how much that is?
Kind of, sort of.
How many pictures of lemonade did she
Daisy Popeo.
All right. Since Hayden's on a roll, what operation we have to do? Hayden? Add, subtract, multiply, divide.
5.
Divide. Okay. Now, what are we dividing?
The what? 5 in the outline.
We're dividing one of those numbers.
30.
We're dividing 30. We're dividing 30 by what? There you go. That's it. Put a little oomph into it. She served 30 glasses in all. This is the big number that you're trying to break apart.
Hold on.
Each pitcher can fill 5 glasses. That's the number we're dividing by. So we'll just say P for pitcher. one picture equals, we'll say G for glasses. All right. Is it set up? We have what we need? Yes, we do. Now we could begin solving, since we set it up properly. So, what's the first thing we do, Kai? We could skip count by 5 till we get to 30, but let's say every pitcher could serve 8 glasses, and they served 1,040 glasses in total. You go skip count by 8 till you get to 1,000 and whatever I just said. So yeah, you could do it that way for this, but when you get to the bigger numbers, you're gonna have to know this. Now, who remembers from the last problem? Y'all set it up, but then the wheels came off the bus when it came time to actually. Go ahead, Kaylee B. DeMille, my producer.
It is I remembered.
Yeah, you remember.
You're not putting at the point.
Huh? Isn't she?
No, she was. Yeah. She was holding it like this. No, she wasn't.
She just faced it down. It's fine. It's still recording though.
Go ahead, Kyrie.
So, we try to do 5.
No, don't. We're not gonna skip count by 5s. We could do that later, but we're doing it this way.
I know.
Go ahead, I know.
5. You could do 5.
Well, can I divide 5 into 3?
No, but if you do 5 dirt.
And stop. So I can't use the 3. So I gotta go the next number.
What's a 0?
Can 5 go into 30?
Yes.
Yep, it sure can.
Alright. Let Kyrie finish this one. How many times 5 go into 30? 5 times what is 30 without going over, because we don't know if it's an exact number.
Oh, so you put 0 on the 0.
Well, we got to put something up here first.
Oh, 5.
I haven't finished.
Wait, not 5.
Well, hang on.
0.
Let's say we put 5 up here. What's 5 times 5?
25. 25.
Mm-hmm. So it's
Okay.
5.
30 minus 25 is how much?
5.
So guess what? We could put another 5 into that. Where my eraser go? So, you said 5. Let's add another 5 to it. So, what's 5 plus 1?
5.
Yep, that's 6.
Alright. 6 times 5 is?
30.
You sure?
I don't know.
Alright.
You know what? I'm gonna skip count.
0 minus 0?
I'm gonna try to.
3 minus 3?
This is really hard.
Not 0.
Are we done?
I was supposed to do this trick, so.
Well,
And my headphones could do it like that.
alright, we're not done. What has to happen? I see a hand half up. Oh, all the way up. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh, add the 5?
No.
Oh.
You have your quotient.
Oh.
So now you gotta check and make sure that's right. Jaden? What we gotta do? Are you stretched? You good? Okay. Kaylee.
Okay, we gotta multiply. The tech gotta work. It's basically the same thing when we did addition and subtraction. Basically.
5 times whatever we said our quotient was. And if 5 times 6 is 30, I think we're right. Is it?
Yeah.
Are you asking me or telling me? It didn't sound so-
Telling.
All right.
I'm gonna make sure.
So now we have to
Hold on.
6. Is the answer here 6?
It's actually wacky. Okay. How many pizzas of lemonade did?
Shaylin.
Sorry.
You recording and you talking and it's gonna pick up everything you say, no ma'am.
So, we're done. Put a circle around it or some quadrilateral. You want to put a square or rectangle? Okay. Now, Kyrie said we could skip count by 5. And we could. Go ahead.
That ain't 5, baby.
5.
10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
5.
Is that what we got?
Yes.
When you get into the bigger numbers, skip counting gonna be how do I put it? Not your friend. So that's why we got, I don't want to call it an easy one, but it seemed easy for you. So we could tape how it's done. So if you're at home and you get stuck, you got me to listen to.
You're actually thinking of this
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
Anything to help. All right, Kaylee, you can